Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a crucial accessory for anyone using the Canon image formula P-215 scanner, the J-ZMQER Mini USB cable. This isn't just any cable. It's specifically designed to ensure seamless data synchronization between your Canon P-215 scanner and your laptop or PC, making it an indispensable tool for efficient document management. One of the primary functions of this J-ZMQER cable is to facilitate reliable data transfer. For users of the Canon image formula P-215, having a dependable connection is paramount to avoid interruptions during scanning sessions. This cable promises to deliver that consistent, high-speed data sync, ensuring that scanned documents are transferred quickly and without corruption to your computer. It's about bringing convenience and efficiency to your daily tasks, allowing you to focus on your work rather than troubleshooting connectivity issues. What truly sets this particular cable apart, beyond its specific compatibility, is the emphasis on safety. The J-ZMQER brand highlights that their products meet international quality certification standards. This means the cable incorporates several crucial safety mechanisms. For instance, it offers protection against short-circuiting, which is vital for safeguarding both your scanner and your computer. Additionally, it includes safeguards against overvoltage and overcurrent, preventing potential damage from power fluctuations. Internal overheating protection is also a key feature, contributing to the longevity and safe operation of the cable itself and the connected devices. These layers of protection provide significant peace of mind, knowing that your valuable equipment is shielded from common electrical hazards. The cable features a standard USB connector and comes in a practical black color, blending seamlessly with most office setups. While the product description mentions input voltage and power source, it's important to remember that this is a data sync cable. Its role is to connect your scanner to your computer, enabling the transfer of data, and potentially providing power if the scanner is bus-powered via USB. The focus here is on the quality of the connection and the safety features built into the cable itself, ensuring a stable and secure link for your scanning needs. For anyone considering this cable, a helpful reminder from the manufacturer is to always double-check that you are choosing the right device before purchasing. Given its specific compatibility with the Canon image formula P-215 scanner 5608B007, ensuring it matches your model is key to a perfect fit and optimal performance. Ultimately, the J-ZMQER Mini USB cable appears to be a well-engineered solution for Canon P-215 users seeking a reliable, safe, and efficient way to connect their scanner for data synchronization, promising a smooth and hassle-free experience in their daily workflow.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.